If you're considering GlobalProtect VPN, here's everything you need to know before buying. While it offers some unique features, it's important to understand how it compares to other VPN options. Stick around as we dive into 12 key aspects to help you decide if this is the right fit for you. First off, GlobalProtect VPN is primarily designed for businesses and enterprises, which means it's not the most consumer-friendly choice compared to other popular VPN services like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. If you're looking for something that's simple to set up and use, GlobalProtect might not be the easiest choice for personal use. Next thing to consider is its integration with Palo Alto Network's security suite. If your organization already uses their firewall, then GlobalProtect will work seamlessly within that ecosystem. But if you're a regular user just looking for privacy protection, this deep integration may not be necessary. The third thing to note is its robust security features. GlobalProtect offers strong encryption, including SSL and IPsec, ensuring your data stays safe while browsing or accessing remote networks. However, many other VPNs offer similar security measures, so it's not necessarily a standout feature. Moving on, the fourth thing is its compatibility with multiple devices. GlobalProtect works well with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, but it doesn't have the same wide range of device support that other VPNs, like NordVPN, offer for routers, gaming consoles, or smart TVs. The fifth thing is its focus on business networks. GlobalProtect VPN excels in environments where access to a corporate network is critical, offering more advanced administrative controls and reporting features. But if you don't need enterprise-level tools, these features may feel overkill. The sixth thing to mention is its connection speed. While GlobalProtect is reliable, it's not always as fast as some other VPNs in the market. Expect more consistent speeds if you use consumer VPNs that are designed with speed in mind, like ExpressVPN. The seventh thing to consider is its pricing model. GlobalProtect VPN doesn't have a straightforward pricing plan like many consumer VPNs. Pricing is typically customized based on your organization's size and needs, which may make it less transparent if you're just looking for a simple VPN subscription. Next, the eighth thing is the ease of use. Compared to more user-friendly VPNs, GlobalProtect might have a steeper learning curve. It requires more technical knowledge to set up and configure, especially if you're managing it for a large team. The ninth thing is its split tunneling feature. GlobalProtect allows you to control which apps use the VPN and which use your regular internet connection. This can be handy in business settings, but may not be as seamless or widely available in other consumer VPNs. The 10th thing is its customer support. For enterprise users, GlobalProtect offers dedicated support, but for individual users, the support experience might not be as robust or fast as other VPN services that cater more to consumer needs. The 11th thing to mention is its kill switch feature. GlobalProtect has this built in, which is important for preventing your data from being exposed in case the VPN connection drops. This feature is standard in many VPN services, but it's still worth highlighting for those who prioritize security. Finally, the 12th thing to know is GlobalProtect's network of servers. While it offers decent global coverage, it doesn't quite stack up against consumer-focused VPNs like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, which have larger server networks and more location options. In conclusion, GlobalProtect is a solid option for businesses and enterprise users who require secure remote network access. However, if you're looking for something more user-friendly and versatile, especially for personal use, there are better alternatives out there. If you want a better VPN experience, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.